This video tutorial I will explain CRUD operations. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update and Delete. CRUD is a set of basic operations that can be performed on the data in a computer system. And CRUD operations are typically associated with databases. First one is create. Imagine you have a recipe book and you decided to add a new recipe for your favorite dish. In the world of computer, create is like adding new information or data. You are putting something new into the system, just like adding new recipe to your book. The second one is read. Now think about when you want to check the ingredients for a recipe that is in your book. You are not changing anything. You are just looking at what is already there. In computer world, read is like retrieving or viewing information that is already exists in the system. Third one is update. You can picture the scenario where you realize you want to tweak the recipe a bit. Maybe you want to add a new spice or change the cooking time. Similarly, in computer world, update means modifying or changing the existing data. What you are doing is you are making adjustment to something that is already in the system. Fourth one is delete. Consider you want to remove recipe from your book because you no longer like it. In the computer world, delete means removing or get rid of the data. What you are doing is you are taking something out of the system. So, in a nutshell, create means adding new data. Read means viewing or retrieving existing data. Update means modifying or changing the existing data. Delete means removing or getting rid of the data. CRUD provides a simple framework for understanding and managing the data in the computer system, just like managing recipes in a cookbook. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.